Good evening, everyone. This is Vinay working as a maths program issued at Avanti Fellows. Today we are going to solve some of the previous year ITJ problems of mathematics, which has been asked in this year and the previous year. And once we are going to complete those questions, then I would like to discuss some good questions from the chapter functions. So everyone try to stay active. I'm going to share my screen, guys. If my voice is not audible, if my screen is not visible, please let me know. I hope my voice is audible and my screen is visible, right, everyone? Those who are present can give me reply, guys. If anyone is facing any issues, please let me know in the chat box, guys. Okay. Okay. So let's start the class. I hope my voice is clear and my screen is visible to everyone. Okay. Okay. So what is the first question he has given to us? Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 minus 2. So before solving this question, how to solve this question first of all? For solving the question related to area, what is the first thing you have to know, guys? You should know how to you should know how to draw the curve for the given function. If you once know how to draw the graph for the given function, then it will be very easy to solve, right? So now tell me, what is the function he has given? Here you have to apply the transformation of the functions concept so that it will be very easy for us to solve it. Okay. So look at here. If you take x-axis and y-axis, mod x minus 1, how it will be, guys? Tell me. So it will be something like this. Do you agree or not? As mod x will be at the origin, mod x minus 1, it will x minus 1, mod f of x minus alpha, it is shifted towards the right side, right? So mod x minus 1 will be shifted towards the right side to how many units? So to 1 unit, okay? So this is 1, okay? So now tell me, after that what he is asking us to do? After that, he's asking us to do minus 2. If you are doing some function minus 2, what happens? If you are adding some positive thing, then it will go move upward, right? And if you are subtracting a thing, then it will move downward, okay? So it will be something like this. Do you agree or not? So this is my second function. If you would like me to write, I will write it here. So this is mod x minus 1 minus 2. And this one is mod x minus 1, okay? So now what we need a modulus of whole modulus of x minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so what is our final function here? If I want to draw, look at here, I'm drawing with the blue ink here. So it will be something like this. And what are the portion which is below the x-axis will reflect towards the above the x-axis, okay? So it will be till here, and then it will be somewhat here, and again it will be something like here. And again it will be something like here. So the blue color which is the graph we are drawn is nothing but this graph, okay? So now tell me what is asking to us, and what is this point at x equal to minus 1? It will be 0, and at x equal to 3 it is 0, okay? So now what is asking, find the area bounded by this curve as well as the x-axis is saying, okay? X-axis. So what it should be our area? This yellow part should be our area. Do you agree or not? Okay. Area bounded by this curve and the x-axis. So tell me what is the area of this one here? What is the height? What is the length of this one? At x equal to 1, what is the value of this function, guys? How much is the value of this function at x equal to 1? It is 2. Okay, it is 2. So what is your answer? Half into what is base, guys? What is the base value? From minus 1 to 3, so it is 4, right? So base is half into base into height is our area of the triangle. This is a triangle, it is forming a triangle, right? So half of the base is 4 and height is equal to 2. Height is 2, okay? So what is your area, tell me? Is equal to 4 square units, okay? So area of the curve which is bounded with respect to x-axis, okay, area of the curve of modulus of mod x minus 1 minus 2 which is bounded with respect to x-axis is nothing but is equal to 4. Clear everyone? Yeah. Everyone, it is clear, right? If anyone is having any doubt, please let me know, guys. Okay. So moving on to the next question, what he has given to us the next question. Find the number of solutions of root 3 cos square x is equal to root 3 minus 1 cos x plus 1. Tell me how we are going to do this question, guys. Tell me here. Root 3 cos square x minus, if I bring everything to LHS, minus root 3 minus 1 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So how to solve this one? Obviously, let us assume cos x as x. So what you are going to get a root 3x square minus root 3 minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, right? So what is the solution of a quadratic equation? X is equal to minus b means root 3 minus 1 plus minus root over of b square means root 3 minus 1 whole square minus of minus is plus 4ac 4 root 3. Okay, so now tell me how much by 2a. Okay, by 2 root 3. Now tell me how much we are going to get. X is equal to root 3 minus 1 plus minus root over root 3 minus 1 whole square is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2 root 3. So this is what we are going to get. So now tell me if we still simplify this one, how much we are going to get root 3 minus 1 plus minus root over of how much we are getting 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. Now tell me by 2 root 3. Here, a very important point is how can I write the inside one here? I can write it as root 3 plus 1 whole square or not? Tell me. By 2 root 3. Okay, this is very important point. Okay, so that is equal to root 3 minus 1 plus minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3. So if you are doing plus 1, how much you are going to get? It is 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 you will get. And if you are doing minus, what you are going to get? Minus 2 by 2 root 3. Hai na? So finally we are getting cos x is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So cos is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by root 3. So what is asking? X belongs to 0 to pi by 2 I said. Hai na? So x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then cos should be positive only. So this has to be removed. At what value we will get cos x is equal to 1? What is asking? Okay, number of solutions is asking here. Sorry, is not asking what is the solution. So cos x is equal to 1. We are getting only one solution for this one. Okay, so your answer will be 1. So it is correct. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Are you everyone got it or not? Any doubts anyone is having? Please ask me. Yes, clear. Okay, if everyone is clear, move on to the next question. Here, the small change is there. It is root A. Okay, now please be careful. It is root A. Okay. So now tell me, what is the differential equation he has given to us? Y square is equal to A into x plus root A. Okay. So here, how many arbitrary constants are there, guys? Tell me. How many arbitrary constants are there? We are having only one arbitrary constant, right? Only one arbitrary constant, that is A. Only one arbitrary constant. So one arbitrary constant, how many times you have to differentiate? You have to differentiate only once. Obviously, if you are having one arbitrary constant, you have to differentiate it for once only. So try to differentiate this equation, how much you are getting, so that once if you differentiate the equation, then you will get the arbitrary constant names of the differential equation. Okay, you can find the differential equation. 2y dash is equal to a plus 0. So how much you got? A is equal to 2y dash. Okay. So y square is equal to, if I substitute this a or in here in our original equation, how much we are going to get? 2y dash into x plus root over of 2y dash. Okay. So this is what we got, guys. Okay, so this is what we got. Now, what is the question he's asking to us? What is the order of the differential equation? What is the degree of the differential equation? Guys, I need everyone to once try it and give me the answer. Okay. Come on, guys, try to give me the answer. What could be the order? What could be? See, for finding the order and the degree, what is the logic behind that one? It will be what you say. The logic is the given differential equation should be free of radicals and fractions. Radicals means what you say, negative power, sorry, rational powers and all these things should be removed. And fractions means negative power should not be there. Okay, everyone clear? So come on, try to give me the answer. I'm waiting for the answer, guys. Guys, I've started the timer also. Everyone try to do it. I'm just asking you, what is the order? What could be the order and what could be the degree for the given differential equation? Come on, last 2.5 minutes left, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer. Last 1 minute left. 1.5 minutes left, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer fast. What is the order and what is the degree of the given differential equation? That is what I'm asking. Before finding the order and degree, the given differential equation should be free of radicals and fractions. So please keep note of that. Okay. Anyone, any answer? Last 30 seconds more, guys. What could be the order and differential equation of the given differential equation? Y square is equal to 2y dash into x plus 2 over 2y dash. Once if you find out the order and the degree, we just have to find the difference between both of those things. That will be your answer. Okay. चलो time हो गया. Let us solve this question, guys. Come on, just look at here. What is given? Y square is equal to 2y dash into x plus 2y dash. Okay. Sorry, why I have written 2y's? It is only one y. Yes, 2y dash whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay. So if I rearrange this one, what I'm getting? Y square minus x into 2y dash is equal to 2y dash whole power 3 by 2. Here we are having a rational number 3 whole power 3 by 2. So for removing it, what I'm doing is squaring on both sides. I'm doing squaring on both sides. If I'm doing squaring, what is happening is so y square minus x into 2y dash whole square is equal to 2y dash whole cube. Yeah. So what is the highest order we are having? Y dash. It is dy by dx. Means one time derivative. So order is 1. And what is the degree we are having? It is highest degree for the order. It is 3. So it is 3. So come on, tell me. So what is asking to us is what is the difference between value of the degree and the order is 3 minus 1. It is 2. Okay. So it is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 is your answer. That's it. This is how you have to do it here. Okay. You just have to be very careful while solving the question. Okay, what is the next question he has given to us? A plane is passing through these 2 points and it is perpendicular to the line joining. Okay. So passing through 2 points means you can form a vector with these 2 points, right? Tell me, what is the vector 4 minus lambda? Minus 2 is minus 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. And what is this is one vector, another vector AB vector if you would like to find. Minus 1 minus plus 2 is 1. 29 minus 23 is 6. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. Okay. So these both are perpendicular. If these both are perpendicular, dot product will be equal to 0. Na? Then what is the value of lambda? You tell me guys. Come on, we will try to do it fast. What is the value of lambda? Come on, tell me fast, everyone. Try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it fast, okay? So what I'm saying is he has given us 2 points in a plane, okay? And that line, the plane is perpendicular to line joining to other 2 points, A and B. So what I'm saying is I'm going to form a vector by passing those 2 points, lambda comma 2 comma 1, 4 comma minus 2 and minus 2. That vector is perpendicular to the vector AB. So dot product of this both the things will be 0. So what is the first vector we got? 4 minus lambda minus 4 and 1 is the first vector we got. And what is the second vector we got? 1 comma 6 comma minus 2. So both of the dot product will be equal to 0. If you are doing dot product, then what is the value of lambda we are getting? Come on, try to give me. Which question, Sankalp, you need? This one. See, plane is passing through 2 points here, okay? Look at here, Sankalp. So I am forming a vector by using these 2 points, okay? This is a vector. How you will form a vector? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 I have done. Okay, so I got this one. This is 4 minus lambda and minus 2 and 2 minus 1. Okay. And what is the vector AB? OB minus OA. If I do that one, this one here, you can look at here. Minus 1 minus 2, 29 minus 23, 16 minus 18. If you're doing that, you are going. Okay, sorry. Array, array. Give me 1 minute, guys. Some mistake. Okay, shall I'm writing the question again. Some problem has came here. So what is the question is given to us is plane is passing through 2 points. Okay, what are the 2 points? Let us assume to C. The point is lambda comma 2 comma 1 and point D if I want to take 4 comma minus 2 comma 2. And what is the other points he has given? And it is perpendicular to line joining point A is minus 2 comma 23 comma 18 and point B is minus 1 comma 29 comma 16. Okay, now you tell me this vector CD is perpendicular to vector AB. Now try to find vector CD. 4 minus lambda minus 2 minus 2 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, right? So that will be 4 minus lambda minus 4 and 1. Okay, this is the vector CD. And what is the vector AB? It is minus 1 minus plus 2, 29 minus 23 and 16 minus 18. Understood, Sankalp? So how much we are getting here AB? It is 1 comma 26 comma, sorry 6, sorry, 1 comma 6 comma minus 2. Okay, so this vector AB is perpendicular to CD. He is saying vector AB is perpendicular to CD. So AB dot CD is equal to 0. So if you do dot product for this both, what is the value of lambda you are going to get? Come on, try to give me the answer, guys. Tell me what is the lambda value you are going to get? That is what I am asking. Come on, try to give me the answer. What is the lambda value you are going to get? Come on, tell me. Try to do the dot product and give me the answer. Come on, tell me what could be the value of lambda. Okay, last 2.5 minutes left. Come on. Try to give me the answer, guys. Come on, guys. Okay, lambda value is minus 22. Sankalp is saying we'll see Sankalp. Okay, very good, very good. We'll see whether it is correct or not. What about others? Anyone? So let us stop the timer and we'll solve it by our own. Okay, chalo. So what is AB dot CD if you want to do? How much we are going to get? That implies 4 minus lambda into 1 plus minus 4 into 6 plus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So what we are going to get? 4 minus lambda minus 24 minus 2 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to minus 26 plus minus 22. Yeah, it's correct here. Correct, Sankar. Very good. So lambda equal minus 22 we are getting it. And what is asking to us in the question, what is asking is, question I'm going to write is asking the value of, give me 1 minute. Yeah, he's asking lambda by 11 whole square minus 4 lambda by 11 minus 4. So this is the question he's asking. Lambda is equal to minus 22 we got. So what is the value of this one? Come on, tell me. Come on, Sankal. What is the answer? Lambda is equal to minus 22. If we substitute over here, what is the answer? So if we substitute minus 22 by 11 is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 11 minus 2 is minus 2 minus 4. So how much we are getting right? 4 plus 8 minus 4. So I think your answer would be 8. So 8 will be your answer. You understood clearly? Any doubts? Anyone is having? Please let me know. Come on. Clear or not, guys? It's not 0 here. I'll check it. 8. Yeah. The answer is 8. Understood, everyone? Clear? So if it's clear, I'm moving on to the next question. So this is the next question. Very good, sir. Thanks for the confirmation, Sankalp. So what is the next question he has given to us? dy by dx plus, okay, no issues here. Look at here, plus 1 by x into sine 2y is equal to x cube into cos square y. Okay, it is kind of a linear differential equation, but it is not linear differential equation. So how to do it? Our linear differential equation should be in terms of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are some function of x or a constant, right? Do you agree or not? Okay, everyone. So how to in RHS it has to be, guys, here the logic is RHS it has to be q, means either function of x or constant. But what is the problem over here? Here in RHS for us, he has given cos square y and x cube. X cube is okay, it is function of x, so it is not a problem. But what is the problem which is creating to us? Cos square y is the one which is creating to us. So what you do is, Divide the whole equation with cos square y. Divide the whole equation with cos square y. Now what is happening? Tell me everyone. 1 by cos square y dy by dx plus 1 by x into sin 2y. I'm writing it as 2 sin y cos y by cos square y I have divided, right? Is equal to x cube. So now try to observe what is happening, guys. Please be very careful here. 1 by cos square y I can write as secant square y dy by dx I can write it as is equal plus 1 by x into, guys, cos y got cancelled, so it is 2 tan y is equal to x cube. Now tell me which one can be taken as t, guys. Which one from here can be taken as t such that the other one will become dt? This is a very important point. If you take tan y as t, then if you differentiate with respect to x, what happens? Secant square y dy by dx will become dt by dx. Okay, clear or not? So what this is going to become, guys? It is dt by dx plus 2 by x into tan y is t I have taken, right? Is equal to x cube. So now this one is a differential equation, right? dt by dx plus 2 by x into t, okay? Is equal to x cube. Now tell me what is our integrating factor, guys? E power integral p dx 2 by x dx is equal how much you find it out. Once you completed, what is the solution? T into integrating factor is equal to integral q x cube into integrating factor. Now everyone try to find integrating factor and then try to find the solution. Yes, come on, try to do it. What is integrating factor? How much you are going to get? Tell me at least. Come on, Sankalp, try to do it. What is the integrating factor? How much we are going to get? That is the first thing I'm asking. And once you are done with the integrating factor, try to give me the what is the solution of the differential equation. Come on, tell me. Give me 1 minute, guys. Guys, everyone try to do it. Give me 1 minute of time. Yeah, I hope everyone is doing, guys. Sorry for the delay. So maintenance connectivity is sorting it out. Okay, time is up. So, what is the answer you guys got? Okay, Sankalp is saying 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, we'll just see what is the integrating factor we're getting. What is the integrating factor we're getting, guys? So, if he has given like this to us, yeah. So now tell me what is happening. Yeah. So tell me, guys. So it is e power 2 into ln x. Huh? So that is equal to e power ln x square. So that is nothing but e power ln x square. How much is the value? It's nothing but x square, right? Okay. So x square is our integrating factor. So now tell me if I substitute the integrating factor over here, t into x square is equal to integral x cube into x square. Okay. Is the sign also very important? So what is t we are taking? We can just substitute it. Tan y. So x square into tan y is equal to integral x power 5 is how much? Integral x power 5 is x power 6 by 6 plus c. So this will be your answer. And anything he has given extra things in the question? Yeah, that's it. So what can we say? Come on, what can we say, guys? 6x square tan y is equal to x power 6 plus say 6x square tan y. 6x square tan y is equal to x power 6 plus c. So what is your option? Option 2 is correct. And everyone understood about the Sankal? You get it or not? Come on, please tell me, everyone. So your option 2 is correct. Okay. So this is how you have to do it, guys. Okay. So now moving on to the next one. Yeah. Now how to do this one? This is very easy question. What is the negation of P double implies negation of Q? So now tell me, guys, if I'm taking P and Q as true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay. Now tell me, what is negation Q? It will be false, true, false, true. Okay. Now tell me, you guys try to find what is P double implies Q and what is P double implies negation Q and what is negation of P double implies negation Q. Try to find out and can you please tell me what will be your answer? Which one can be your answer? Please tell me here. Which option can be your answer? See, if P double implies Q, I am telling you, please double implies Q means what? If it is both are true or both are false, then only it is true, or else it is false. Like for example, if both are true, it is true only. Both are false, also it is true only. One true, one false, it is false. Okay, this one I have written down. So out of the rest of the other two, try to do it. Come on, tell me which could be, which option could be your answer. Tautology means all output figures will be a true. If all output is false, then it is a fallacy. Come on. By using all these things, try to tell me which one could be your answer. I'm waiting for the answer, guys. Come on, everyone, try to give me the answer. Last 3 minutes left. Last 2 minutes left. What could be your answer? Come on, tell me. Last 1.5 minutes. Which option? Is it a tautology or is it a fallacy? Or what it is? Come on, tell me. Last 30 seconds, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer. Okay, time is up. So now tell me what we are going to do is P double implies negation Q. Now means for which two you have to check. These two you have to check. Now tell me what is the answer. If true false it is false. True false and what is a false true it is false only. If both are true it is true. If both are false also it is true. Okay. And this is also false. Okay. And negation of this one is true, false, false, true. Okay. So this is what we got. So now you guys can check it right. So this one is completely same as this last one. Is it so or not? So what is your answer? This one is equal to P implies Q, PDB double implies Q. So option 1 will be your answer, guys. Okay, clear? Everyone? Any doubts anyone is having? So this is how you have to do it, guys. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. What is the question? Sankalp, do you have any doubt? Can I move on to the next question, Sankalp? Last one, which one you are asking about? These two are same, right? See, these two are same, right? P double implies Q. P double implies Q, we got T, F, F, T. And negation of P double implies negation Q also we are getting T, F, F, T. As both are same, we can say both are equivalent. What is your doubt? What you are asking? As here not everything is true. If all T's are come, then it is a tautology. If all F are come, it is fallacy. So it is not option 3 and option 4. And only thing is P implies Q to check. So P double implies Q, sorry. P double implies Q, we are getting the same. This both are same. T and F in the last one. Which one? Last column you are talking about. Look at here. This is the negation of this one. Negation, this one, negation is this one. Negation means for F it is T, for T it is F, for T equal to F, F equal to T. Negation means opposite. Okay, for false you will get true, for true you will get false. Opposite. So that is how you got the last one by using the previous one. Clear? Okay, very good. So what is the next question he has given to us? So we have an inequality, right? Mod of x plus y, okay, is or it is always less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. This happens when x and y are of same sign. X and y should be same sign. So when can you say mod x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y? When x and y are same sign. So that is what he is asking to us. He has given the inequality. So what you have to prove is x means for x square plus 4x plus 9 and 2x minus 3 should be of same sign. We don't know 2x minus 3 का sign कितना है. Just tell me x square plus 4x plus 9 can be written as x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 5. So I can write it as x plus 2 whole square plus 5. Is it so or not? So tell me, if I'm going to write like this, is it positive or negative? Guys, this is positive or negative? Tell me. Is it positive or negative? It is x plus 2 whole square. It's always positive, right? If this is positive, this one also has to be positive. So x has to be greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Okay. That is the simple logic over here. See how much easy it is. You just have to remember. You just have to remember this happens only when x and y are of same sign. If x is positive, y has to be positive. If x is negative, y has to be negative. Clear? Clear? These are some properties. I will share you this thing with in the notes. Okay. And coming to the next one. Yeah. How to solve this question? Tell me. He's asking what is the domain of this one, right? Domain means what? How much? What are the various possibilities of x? Which one you want here? This one. Which one you want, Sankalp? Modulus of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. It happens only when both are of same sign. As here the first one is positive all the time, this one also has to be positive. That is how you are going to do this one. Understood or not? Please tell me. Come on, tell me here. Understood or not? Yeah, very good. So, moving on to the next one. If someone has given you this kind of question, okay. So what we are going to do here is domain is asking means all the possibilities of x we need. Okay. So first of all, whatever thing it is there inside the root, it has to be positive. It has to be positive. Okay. So modulus of step of mod x minus 5 is greater than 11. Okay. If modulus of something is greater than 11, then if you remove the modulus, what happens? Step of this inside one. Okay. It has to be what? It has to be greater than 11 or it has to be less than minus 11. Okay. So now tell me here, whenever you are having an integer, you can remove it outside the greatest integer function here. Very, very important point. If you're having integer, you can remove it outside the greatest integer function. So this is what we got. So step of modulus of x is greater than 16. What is the other one? Step of modulus of x minus 5 is less than minus 11. And step of modulus of x is less than minus 6. Guys, now tell me, this is very, very important point. Now, what I'm about to say is very important. If greatest integer function should be greater than 16, okay? It should be greater than 16 means what is the nearest integer value? 17. Na? When can you get 17, guys? Tell me. When can you get it? Should be 17. It should be 17 or more than 17. When can you get it? When the inside one should be always greater than 17. You agree or not? If inside one, if step x is greater than 16 means what? X should be greater than 17, right? Okay, very, very important one this is. And here, if step x is less than minus 6, then what is the least? Next integer, minus 7, na? So step x should be minus 7 means what? Step x with minus 7 means x should be less than minus 6. Because from minus 6 to minus 7, you will get minus 7. Now, greatest integer function. Okay. So now tell me, if modulus of x is less than minus 6, Is it possible? Yes, modulus of is less than minus 6. Is it possible? Yeah. Modulus means positive value, na? So no values of x will be satisfying this one, right? So modulus will be positive, so never you will get a negative value. So now what is the answer? Mod x greater than or equal to 17 means x greater than 17 and x less than minus 17. So answer will be minus infinity to minus 17 union 17 to infinity. This is how you have to do it. Only thing you have to be careful is greatest integer function. Okay. Where do you have doubts, Uncle? Tell me. Okay, very good, very good. Now tell me, what is the period? Period means what? Okay, let us discuss from basic questions first. Okay, what is the period of sin x, guys? What is the period of sin x? Can you please tell me? Sin x and cos x. What is the period? Come on, try to give me the answer. What is the period of sin x and cos x? That is what I'm asking. Come on. What could be the period of sin x and what is the period of cos x? Any idea? Anyone? Sankalp, can you please tell me what is the period of sin x and cos x? It's very important, guys. Period means after certain amount of interval, your function is going to repeat itself, right? So for sin x, you tell me after how much interval it is going to repeat itself. Tell me after an interval of 2 pi, you will get the same graph again and again. Sin x period is pi 2 pi. When it is coming to the cos x, same thing happens. Okay. Okay, okay, no issues, Shankar. So when, at what interval it is going to repeat again? 2 pi interval it is going to repeat again. Similarly, if someone is asking for tan x, what you have to do? Tan x graph will be something like this, right? It is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So again, the graph will be repeated. So in pi interval, it is going to repeat. Okay. So other thing you have to remember is f of if for p f of x period, if it is t, what is the period of f of alpha x? It is t by mod alpha. Okay, please remember this is very, very important. Means, just give me 1 minute to try. In the meantime, try to find the value of period of sin 2x. Come on, tell me what is the period? Okay, come on, tell me here, what is the period of sine 2x? Yeah, what I have told you, if we know period of, just now I told you that period of sine x is equal to 2 pi. So what is the period of sine 2x? It is 2 pi by whatever the coefficient is there, that we have to do it, right? 2 pi by 2, so it is pi. Period of sine 2x is pi. Okay. Similarly, what is the period of cos 3x? What is the period of cos 3x? Okay, sin 2x it is pi here, Sankar. Very good. Now tell me for cos 3x क्या होगा? For cos x it is 2 pi. For cos 3x it will be 2 pi by 3. Understood or not? Now tell me what is the period of tan 5x? For tan x my period is pi. Now what is the period of tan 5x? Come on, try to give me the answer. Very good, Sankar. So answer is pi by 5. Yeah, very good. So when if you are giving me two functions, like if you let us assume 2 sin x plus some 3 cos x, okay, or else we'll do tan x, or else we'll do easy one. Sin x plus tan x he has given to us, okay. What is the period of this one? What could be the period of sin x plus tan x? Period of sin x is 2 pi. Period of tan x is pi. We know that. So please remember, whenever f of x is equal to some g of x plus h of x, and if I want a period of g of x is t1, period of h of x is t2, then period of f of x will be LCM of t1 and t2. Please remember, okay? So now tell me what is the period of this one? Tell me. So period of this one means LCM of this both 2 pi and pi. How much? 2 pi and pi LCM is 2 pi, right? Nah. So this is how you have to do it. It is 2 pi and pi LCM is 2 pi. Yeah. Understood or not, Sankalpa? Is it okay? Understood clear or not? So that is how we have to do this one. So now tell me, I am giving you this as homework for you guys, okay? Try to take this as homework, okay? And try to solve, find the period of the first one and the second one. Then in the next class, we are going to continue this thing, okay? Understood clearly? Okay, then try to practice as many questions as possible. We'll meet in the next class, guys. Okay, Sankal? Okay, everyone. Take care, everyone. Try to practice as many questions as possible. We'll meet in the next class, guys. Okay.